Hey guys, I'm Dario Catronio, founder of DCI Education, and thank you to everybody that reached out to be part of our online library. Now, for those that aren't aware, we are targeting 20,000 hairdressers. That's our target. We want to change and touch hearts of 20,000 hairdressers around the world based on what we're all going through right now. So as a company, we thought, how can we best service the hairdressing industry right now? So the most innovative way we've come up with is to simply open up our entire DCI streaming library free of charge for the next 6 months for hairdressers around the world to get access to 103 step-by-step video techniques ranging from classic, contemporary and advanced cutting techniques, as well as classic, contemporary and advanced and balayage coloring techniques, as well as giving you our entire backlog of Elevate and Mentor program videos. So that's 61 videos on their own, and they're the most recent videos that we've done right up until the end of last year. Now, people ask, well, why are we doing this? This is simply to help our industry right now. All those hairdressers that are isolated, that are feeling vulnerable, and this is our way of saying thank you. The letters that we've received, and they've just been coming in thick and fast from around the world. And we're talking about the UK, we're talking about Ireland, we're talking about Spain, Italy, France, Russia, we're talking Singapore, throughout Asia, India, Germany, as well as America, and our friends in Canada and New Zealand and Australia. So our target is to touch 20,000 hairdressers. That's our target. We want to help 20,000 hairdressers with this gift of gratitude, to let them know that it shouldn't be about money right now. It should be about supporting one another with acts of kindness like this. And I challenge others to do very similar things, that we can all make everyone feel that this is quite a positive, united industry, all helping one another and lifting up one another when we need it most. I've had 30 years in this industry, an amazing industry. What a lifestyle we get. We get to travel the world, we get to inspire people, we get to stand behind the chair and really elevate people's confidence and touch hearts. Now, to register your interest to get access to our online learnings, it's really simple. You just have to email myself at dario@dcieducation.com. So that's Dario, D-A-R-I-O, @dcieducation.com. Now, when you email myself, you just have to say who you are, what country you're from, and what salon you work in. You'll get a beautiful automatic response, which simply gives you 2 steps to log into our online program for the next 6 months at no charge. You can watch as many videos as you like from anywhere at any time. Now, I ask again another favor. 20,000 people, hairdressers, souls, hearts that we want to help. The kindness that I'm receiving, or we're receiving in letters and how much this means to so many people is inspiring us to do more. And if you could do a simple act of kindness by forwarding and sharing this video to as many hairdressers as possible around the world, we would be truly grateful. Because I think when we come out of this, that we have to be a newer version. We have to approach hairdressing very differently, not only with our customer service in making clients feel safe when they come in, but with our energy and our frequency, and most importantly, our ideas. They have to be new, so clients come back for more. And please send us your emails. That gives us so much oxygen right now. Your kind words go a long way with the entire team. And on behalf of everyone at DCI Education, thank you. Be kind to yourself, and we'll speak very soon. Thank you guys. Cheers.